I'm pretty sure you've heard all the motivational stories from all the successful people and also all the motivational quote that you scroll from TikTok or Instagram or social media in general. But here you are, still struggling with being consistent, right? And you expect this video to help you to be consistent at doing your positive things, right? So, well, there's nothing wrong with motivational stories, nothing wrong with motivational quotes. It might be that practical steps are the actual answers for your struggle, okay? So, this is going to be a really practical, straight to the point guide on how you can actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing your art, literally anything. And this is March 11th, 2025, and this is going to be day 246 of consistently helping people build consistency. Okay, so first thing first, I'm gonna be giving one of the contextualization of the problem that we might encounter when we are trying to be consistent. That one big problem is that we tend not to appreciate ourselves, okay? So here's the thing, we struggle to be consistent, we want to be consistent, and we actually, make some progress, but we never say thank you to ourselves for actually doing the thing that we should be doing, okay? But when we do not do the thing that we should be doing, we always say all those mean words to ourselves and stuff. So my point here, in order to be consistent at doing something, one of the most effective way to achieve that is to appreciate ourselves. Make sure that we are being appreciated for actually doing the right thing. Okay? Because imagine if there's this one friend, right? He's really kind. He or she is really kind to you every single day. He's really kind. He or she is really kind in general, but you never say thank you to him, right? How would that how how would that make him feel or her feel or she feel? He or she feel. Okay? So what if the same case happens with your struggle with being consistent? You actually want to be consistent at doing something, you make some progress, but you never say thank you to yourself, okay? Well, so that's the problem. Okay? So how do we actually solve this problem? Okay, one of the most effective way is to basically, first thing first, here's the thing that we are going to be doing. The thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be making the thing that we want to be doing extremely clear, okay? First thing first, that's the thing that we are going to be doing. Instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm going to be exercising every single day. Oh yeah, I'm going to be studying every single day. We make it more clear, okay, by making it specific and also measurable. Instead of just saying that, oh yeah, I'm going to be studying, say that, oh yeah, I'm going to be doing 5 minutes of reading a book every single day minimum, okay? So it's really clear because it's specific and also measurable. This way, we can precisely know when have we actually finished our personal target, okay? There's going to be some sense of achievement, okay, accomplishment, right? I say I'm gonna be doing 5 minutes of reading a book. I actually did the 5 minutes of reading the book. Yeah, I've done the thing that I said that I'm gonna be doing. This is something that we cannot achieve if we only say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna be studying every single day. I mean, how much studying is enough studying, right? We need to make a really clear, right? Really clear personal target by making it specific and also measurable. Okay? So the next thing that we are gonna be doing here, every single time we manage to actually fulfill our daily target, we are gonna appreciate ourselves by saying thank you. Okay? Thank you for actually doing this thing. Thank you for actually exercising. Thank you for actually studying. Thank you for actually doing the thing that you say that you're gonna be doing. Thank you for actually doing the thing that you knew you should be doing. Okay? And I'm not saying, just saying thank you as a formality of a routine, like just saying thank you, like, yeah, thank you, and, have no feeling at all, okay? I'm talking about saying thank you to ourselves genuinely, okay, from the bottom of our hearts, okay? Because if you just think of it, we actually deserve, okay? We actually deserve the thank you, right? We have the awareness. We have the awareness that we need to change our life by being consistent at doing positive things. We set some goal, we set some target, and we actually managed to fulfill that target. We spent our time, we spent our energy doing that thing. We deserve a thank you, okay? Thank you for actually caring about your life, okay? So that's how you actually be consistent at doing something by one, making the thing that you're gonna be doing extremely specific, and two, making yourself know, right? 100% that you're being appreciated every single time you actually manage to fulfill the thing. Okay? And here's the thing. If we if we make ourselves feel appreciated for actually doing that thing, the probability of us actually doing that thing again in the future is going to be higher. Why? Because we are going to be thinking like, hey, you know what? I'm being appreciated for actually doing my thing. Well, I'm making some progress. And hey, you know what? Like, you know, it feels good to be appreciated. I'm just gonna be doing it again on the future, okay? And yeah, it might seem pretty awkward. It might seem pretty awkward, feel pretty awkward in the beginning when we say thank you to ourselves, because yeah, it's kind of weird. You know, like I can say thank you to other people can say thank you to me, but it's kind of something that's pretty rare for society to tell us to thank ourselves. The thank you that we actually deserve, okay? So yeah, it might seem pretty awkward in the beginning, but hey, you actually deserve that thank you, okay? So yeah, that's how you actually be consistent at doing positive things. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and also, yeah, join our Discord. And yeah, for today's date, authenticity post, March 11th, 2025, and Mimzar posted a Microsoft post last 24 hours. Thank you.